YouTube, this is your girl Candace coming to you with another video. This video is a quick refresh and update of my half bathroom and the downstairs area of my house. I just want to give you a quick overview of what it looks like right now. The walls are pretty bare, nothing's really going on here. So without further ado, guys, I want you to sit back, relax, and check out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, here we are. Right, I have made some progress here, guys. It took me about 45 minutes, I would say, to get this painter's tape on the wall. I did get the line straight. I did get the walls puttied. So without further ado, let's just start painting. Right, here is the finished product of what it looks like before I took the tape off. This is the painted product. Looks really, really nice. However, as we pulled the tape off the walls, I've realized my sheetrock is either cheap or the tape was too strong. However, let's zoom on in. Guys, the tape pulled the paper from the sheetrock off the wall. Oh my God, I was so pissed. Like, oh my God, I got to do all this over. But you know what? I managed to get it puttied. I managed to fix it. So overall, it ended up turning out really nice. Looked really, really good. So I want you guys to now see the finished product. All right, here is the finished product. This is what the bathroom looks like now. I didn't do much over here to the walls here. I'm gonna have to find something to put over there in that wall, but I don't want to do too much. I don't want to make it clustery, so I was thinking about putting a magazine rack in here or something, but I might just leave it, you know. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below, please. What you think I should put on that wall over here. Should I just leave it blank? Or should I just add something there? But I think I should leave it. This is what this side looks like. Okay, come on around. And this is what this side looks like. And you see, guys, that I left this wall here blank also. I didn't want to overdo it. I just wanted to do something simple. Give it like a little small beachy feel, but not being too over the top beachy. Okay. All right. So this picture here, I got this from Home Goods. This flowers and things like this. I got that from Craigslist. It was just a find off Craigslist, both of the flowers. This sign right here was something I had for a while. It's a little outdated, but I'm gonna kind of spruce it up with a little paint or something, make it look a little bit cuter. These washcloths, I got these from the Home Goods store, and it says wash on them, so they're really cute. I just stuck those in here for a little decoration. Oh, and this here, this thingy, I thought it was so cute because it's kind of like glam industrial kind of shelf. It was really cute. I got that from Home Goods also, and I think that was probably about $14.99. All right, so here on this wall, this right here was originally in my hallway, but I feel like it looked cuter in here than the pictures that I had originally in here. And then it's plain, but it has some kind of pizzazz to it, so I thought that would be cute in here. So there's that wall. I didn't do a lot to that wall. I just wanted to keep it like a half wall kind of thing. I didn't want to, you know, overdo it. And then here at the toilet, I didn't want to have to, you see all this stuff behind the toilet, the pipes and all that stuff. I did not want to have to paint around that stuff. So I just left it as it is. And I think it looks okay. I think it looks all right. Here, I just got this little swan. I think I got this from Home Goods. I think it was maybe like $5.99. It was Home Goods or Marshalls, and I just used that to put my soap inside of, you know, just to give it a little pizzazz. And you know, the swans, just like the lake and the beach and whatever. I don't know if there's swans at the beach, but it's lakey, beachy, whatever feel. So that's that. Here I just put a towel here. I didn't do anything special with the towel because I do change my towels out at least twice a week, 2 or 3 times a week. Depending on the company or if we even use this bathroom down here. So that's the towel. It looks kind of beachy also. It's cute. And I also got that from Home Goods. I didn't take the tag off this towel yet. Let's see. Yeah, $6.99. So wasn't too bad. I need to take the tag off of that. Down here, I got this basket also for $7.99. This basket is basically just something to throw my tissue in so we won't have to run up and down the stairs to get tissue. I think that's cute. This trash can here, it's gray. I want to get another kind of trash can, but this was more subtle. Most subtle trash can I had in the house. So I just brought this downstairs. It was in my master bathroom. I got this from Walmart. I think the trash can was maybe like $5. Just a small trash can. It has some kind of like ridge design on it from Walmart, but that's that trash can. And then I got this floor rug here, and this also came from Home Goods. It gives me like a little beachy feel. I didn't want anything seriously, you know, robust on the floor here. So I just got something simple and light. So I really do like this rug. It's kind of thin, and I wanted it that way because I know people will be stepping on it, and it's something that I would have to continuously wash. But that's that. So guys, here's another overview of the bathroom. I didn't do anything with the light fixtures. I just moved in this house, so I'm not ready to bother with the light fixtures. I don't know if that's laziness, but and then, you know, they're not old. They're not dusty. They're not outdated, so I'm not just ready to change those out yet. But that's an overview of the bathroom. It's that wall that I left blank. I will be putting a, what do you call this? A mirror behind my door. So when you're in the bathroom, you're trying to head out, just do a quick check. I will be putting a mirror behind the door. So again, this is an overview. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. Yes, please hit that subscribe button right now so you can get more videos from your girl. Hit that like video so you can show your girl some love. And be blessed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,